All right. Now we're going to dive into more about the ad interactions and the ad properties that you can utilize to see your ad activity. Craig, what are they?
There's a few original source and latest traffic source. And so we're getting into a few technical details now, but at this point, you've connected your ads in. When someone comes in from, say, a Facebook ad, they fill out a form or something on your site, and then they've become a contact in your CRM. Properties on your contact record that you can look at. We've got a list of them in the show notes and in the school course, but I'll just call them out. Original source type, original source data one. That was originally called original drill down one. They rename these properties from time to time, but if you've been using HubSpot for a while, you'll look for original drill down one and drill down two, but they're actually called original source data one and data two now. Those three, original source type, data one and data two, are probably the main three that you'll want to look at. That tells you everything. Did they come from Facebook? Where was it paid? Was it organic? And then there's also other properties, latest traffic source, drill down one, drill down two. They haven't renamed those ones. And they're actually as good as well, because if there's only been one interaction so far, they'll both be the same. So latest traffic source will actually be the same as original source type. And those properties, there's a bunch of others, conversion pages and all those kinds of things. And I think one of the things I wanted to call out is and we've got examples in the show notes here of one that's paid social, but also we've got others. We'll talk about this at the end, when things get misattributed. And sometimes you see things come through on organic social. It'll turn up as a source type of social media when it's actually paid social. I'll talk about how that happens. It's really important.
Yeah.
For attribution reporting.
All right. The next we're going to talk about viewing ad activity in your timeline. Now, if you're very good with filtering your timeline, it is one of those, it's actually one of the first things you'll see in the contact activity. And so often we will toggle that on and off if you want to see how many ad interactions have taken place with a contact. And it's a great place to look. So often the ones we look at, if we're in the activity timeline, will be page views, form submissions, and ads activity, because that kind of tells us a story of what's going on. So if you want to get a clear perspective, just have those three things turned on as a start, and when you're looking at a contact activity timeline.
Got a really good screenshot here in the show notes, and you'll see this if you're on YouTube as well. But for listeners, I'll just explain. The wonderful thing about the timeline is it can tell you and you can see all the different ad interactions. So I've got an example here where they came in, they clicked on ads, viewed pages, and it wasn't actually until I think a day later that they filled out the form submission. And so then you can see, because they were cookied, you see all of that data actually 5 days later before they filled out the form. So you actually see them click on 4 different ads and view pages, and then it's not till 5 days later they actually come back and fill out a form. And so just being able to see that level of activity in the timeline is really valuable.